it doesn't seem all that long since these first started appearing. These little USB lights, you just plug it into a USB port and they light up. And they're quite useful. You can plug them into a USB power supply, like say for instance this one, and then plug it into the wall and they'll just splash light out. And you get two types. You get the one that only works in one way round. This one doesn't work the other way round, and that usually has a couple of diodes in it so that you don't short things out against the metal housing. And you get the simple version like this, which is just, you know, one way round, which is the pads just on one side, and it works fine. And when these first came out, they were sold at a couple of quid each, and then they came down to 99p each, and now you can buy them as a set of 10 for £1.77, which is about 18 pence a unit. That works out about just over $2.50 or 25 cents per unit. And these ones came from an eBay seller called Double Turbo. Ooh, not just single turbo, but double turbo. So, yes. And the interesting thing about these is that they are supplied on this grooved circuit board, this grooved laminate, and this is how they obviously get manufactured, because they are surface mount. They've got the 3 LEDs in parallel and a 39 ohm resistor. So let's do the maths here. Roughly 3 volts across the LEDs, 5 volts supply, 2 volts to drop across the resistor, 2 volts divided by 39 ohms equals 51 milliamps divided amongst the 3 LEDs, about 17 milliamps per LED. So well within the rating for standard 20 milliamp LEDs. And it's clear that the circuit boards are etched, and then the solder resist and the screen print is put across. They've got this strange logo. This one looks like a set of wings with a halo above it, but I haven't a clue what the other bit is. It looks like sort of holly. I'm not really sure what it is. But once they're made, they're then grooved. The grooving definitely gets done before the LEDs are put on, because you can see that in the case of this LED and this one, they've just sat slightly squint when they've been flowed, and they've gone across the area that was grooved, so the grooving must have been done beforehand, otherwise it would have damaged those LEDs, and that makes sense. And that means that they can basically put the whole panel in, put the surface mount components on the LEDs and resistors, and then afterwards just snap off as many as they need. And because it's grooved from both sides, I'll just show you this. I don't know if you'll see that. Yeah, I think you can see that. Because it's grooved from both sides, it snaps very cleanly. So I'm guessing that, you know, when you buy one online in the bad old days and you bought one, they are still selling these individually at 99 cents or 99 pence. And in the UK you can buy one for £1.50, most of which will probably be postage and packaging, to be honest. And it's very clear that, you know, you place your order, they go and snap one off and stick it in the envelope. So yeah, interesting to see how they're made.